All right, everybody, I've been teasing this for months. Today's finally here. I'm at Greenlight Performance and Wiring. They're helping me out today. I got all the equipment from CV Fabricators. Thanks to Jason for sending me everything. We got turbo inlet tubes. We got the intercooler. We got the downpipes. We got the hot and cold pipes. We got everything. Even got the upgraded injectors and performance spark plugs from ZFG Racing. We're going to run the E50 tune. We're going to dyno it today, get a baseline. And then once everything's installed, here in the next few days, we're going to convert to full E85 and make this the most powerful stock turbo Raptor on the market. And we'll have the before and after from the E50 to the E85 tune. And I want to see how much horsepower me and ZFG Racing can tune this thing up to. So come on for the journey. Let's have a good time with it. Here are the NGK ruthenium performance plugs that we're putting in, and this is the obviously old plug with about 60,000 miles on it. Still actually looks good. So let's see if this is really a .028 gapped plug. I got 2010 vision. Yep, looks like .028 to me with my calibrated eyes. So let's go ahead and throw them in. Here is the stock intercooler that we just pulled out. Here's the CV Fabricators intercooler that we're about to put in. I guess size does matter in this instance. Look what we have here. From CV Fabricators, we have the downpipes we're about to install, and I can't wait to get these on and hear how this truck sounds on the initial startup and see what kind of performance we can get out of these. These things are heavy, and I bet they sound absolutely amazing. So let's see how this does. It's dyno time. How much horsepower do you think this will make on an E50 tune with the downpipes, intercooler, injectors? But wait, we've still got pure E85 to go too.